Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to JH Challenge Nation. This is another round of food challenge. Here with me, I have one able man and another able lady. Please, may we know your name?
I'm Stella by name.
And
Ambassador Choose.
all right, here we have Stella, and here we have Choose. And here with us is 2 bottles of Arusi Coke. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 pieces of buns. And today our challenge, we want to know who will first consume and finish his or her food. Anyone that finishes, go home with a sum of 10,000 naira. So the time starts now. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes.
The time stand as I count from 3 to 1. 3, 2, and 1. Energy. Ambassador Choice is leading. 3 to 4. 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 Someone is leading. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Choice is leading. 2 to 3. 2 to 3. Choice is leading. What a man can do, what man can do what? Choice is leading. Choice is leading. 1 to 2. Choose is leading. 1 to go. Choose. 1 to go. Man is leading. Man is leading. Man is leading.
Man, I had more fun. Nah, come on.
Choose is leading. 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 Ladies and gentlemen, choose open your mouth. Open your mouth. Ladies and gentlemen, here comes the end of the competition. Ambassador Choose, aka Pastor Choose, when they do what you know good, won the competition. What do you have to say?
I want to say a very big thank you to AJ.
What do you have to say to JH Challenge Nation?
Oh, Jay, challenge, I don't